Hakni kisi ke National People's Party kelap pelait ru san paungut ki kertong na kebenta ke election bansawan. Na pedeng kini ke konstituensi ke NPP kampat dan kertong Satya na ampati kepada gejaka jong menteri rangba. Hakni ketup kerteng ki bapau kerteng ki kentup ya ke agatha ke sangma nalor ki prangut ki amali ba penyaso mantang singi. Kini ki bala penyaso mantang singi kilong ba Presiden Tinsong ba Rovel Lingdo ba Singaw Bahalang Dhar ba Ngailang Dhar ba Coming One Amban kepada nak parti Kongres ba Remington Pingrop nak UDP Stephenson Mukim ba Hopeful Baman kepada KMLA Shiman habakrin hakani jingalang ba Presiden Tinsong uloong ba kadaw ke jingmi no jengki nak kaseng Kongres kadai namar ke jingle Donbor Dr. Mukul kom menteri rangba wat hadiah melai shonglang shi post nam duna buat Dr. Mukul Henry hakani ka khilmat ba Preston ula ther ba Dr. Mukul ula thmu ban khet vote na kipat ba tak ba sam ya ki scheme ri jingri basan hajar se kipat ba ulong bana pedeng ki kharbengut ki menteri rang ba ka jela ditang Dr. Mukul bala sincha don bo bana kata kadau kimla sha-shu bad haban mino kadba ba Singaw Bahalang Dhar ula kam bana Jante Hills na ki nyotli ki constituency ke NPP kan job omduna ya kin ringun ulat here you Dr. Mukul ba udai tang menteri rangba jang keempati om jang kejela Meghalaya ba Preston berba Singaw Bahalang kide arngut kemali ki basyapan hap syuki how Dr. Mukul sama hakne jinglang la yoru ya kijingkren oba Remington Pingrop ringkat Deputy Chief Minister ke Manipur ubadiru nongelam ke NPP Ujoy Kumar Singh James K sama bad uba Rovel Lingdo bad kiwe.
This is a party is vision by the grand old man of Meghalaya, Sri E.S. Sharma. This is a party which stands for the entire Northeast, its people, its vision, its development. Let us work together, stand together, and work towards it. Meghalaya can prosper only when Garo Hills, Khassia and Jaintia works together. Some parties trying to decide to divide Meghalaya into the Garo Hills and the Khassia and Jaintia. I think that's a very wrong thing. We should discourage and we should defeat party which is advocating for this sort of concept or this sort of divisive politics. Let me also tell you that the various states of Northeast, people living in various states of Northeast speak different languages, dress in different manner, but each of them has got its own unique culture and background. Yet there are lots of things which are common among all these people, all these ethnic groups of the Northeast. These are, what are these words? These are our love for the hills, for our rivers, our closeness to the mother nature, and our love for song and dance, and so many things which are common. We also know, like all of us, when we go out to the mainland India, they are not able to distinguish who belongs to Nagaland, who belongs to Manipur, who belongs to Meghalaya, who belongs to Mizoram, who belongs to Arunachal. Yet, we are yet to find any political party which has been able to stand for the togetherness of the Northeast and for its people, the right, the self-respect, prestige, etc. of the people of Northeast. There have been times when most of the states were ruled by Congress, say like Arunachal, then Assam, Meghalaya, Mizoram, Manipur. But Even though it was the same political party which ruled these states, the party did not stand for the togetherness of these states, of this region. The party did not stand for its right, for the rights of the people. What I want to emphasize is that there have been, and there is still, and there will be need for a party which stands for the rights, for the pride, and for the self-respect, for the development and the welfare of the people and the region of the Northeast.
I saw some comments in the Facebook. I saw some comments in the newspaper, especially for the 5 Congress MLAs who resigned recently. And the blame goes to us by saying that these people are too selfish. I would like to clarify today, we are selfish for the interest of the state of Meghalaya. My dearest friends, remember one thing, our blood, our heart and soul is for the people of Meghalaya. Some friends who have just mentioned that the present leadership, Dr. Mukul Sangma, is the Chief Minister of Empathy, but NPP is not going to do that. We are for the interest of the people of Meghalaya. When I check from the record, till today we have 29 states in India. 29 chief ministers we have in India, and it is only Dr. Mukul Sangma who is holding not less than 18 departments. What is this? In Meghalaya we have 12 ministers including chief minister. Why 18 department he is holding alone? Is he trying to say that the 11 ministers are not fit? If not, why you inducted them? Kiparok baik dan yathu yabi. Pek hati record. Our folk and died to leave state in India. Claiming union territories. Our folk and died what the chief minister record. Uba break record de Dr. Mukul Sangma. Uba loot ki department baro. Kajat leadership ayu kabakung kata. Nga isnei ke perlok ke balong minister benta. Nama dilong tanggung ki manager. Lalu ong kabali ikabayong rupiang de. Da kabakhiya mansem ngan ogyabi na kadagadaw kaprelong yami bangi hapan nino banyo iya kawaipat kapati hapo kejingalam uba konras sama ngidon kejingkremen na kabenta kejelam Meghalaya jumi. mentami kiskim ki balai hujat akapol election. I don't know what's happening in Garo Hills. Under the name of livestock mission, under the name of livestock mission, what happened? People were promised 5,000 rupees each beneficiary. Where were those schemes? 4.5 years back, where were those schemes? Tell me. Balai dia pulang minta menaik scheme, san hajar tengah, ban menit election. Siapa itu miskin, san stem juna minta. Kau kipai baik, kamu dorong yepi. Ya itu miskin sim, tambah kaput wadai. Sim ini itu miskin, tambah kaput habis KPP. Ngakulah repi, ngakulah repi itu bersekawit. Bagaimana saya mulai berdekat pagi, ngit senskar mereka election. Bagi kuat benom, bakung kejelang negara Palo, ngin yalam, syah kajak kaplang kebejengan. Bod kijing pesel hubak lamata, namar mendau suuk bertren dek muipat, kiong hana, baka MPP, kade ketimbi jog BJP. Don't give on, baka MPP, Nadim yang lem ke BJP. Hato pensisya saya kata, Gidon nakajong komisyon dokumen, Gidon nakajong ka ideology, Gidon ruk lakajong ka constitution, na kabenda upay ba jong kejelang mereka. The what skill hope baklay kani. Snow how what nam skill hope baklay kani. Nakwa ban ong yapi. Ka NPP kayen. Na kabenta kirit pai. Deputy Chief Minister menurut Depren. Na kabenta kirit pai jong kanoti. Badru na kumtakit tribal kibadon na po India pelun. Kata kada nongrim jong ka NPP. Tiswaman syong akwa panoy di kuway. Nado usnem kat kenai pa niyobo. Bagi yo ya ka interim state yo. Badaden bagi yo ro ialah kastet ajong bapura. Haus dem kat kenai pa niyobo a. Iyo kat wengot kisi minister. Kat wengut ke Chief Minister, hapok kejelang megladu ada kaki pemerintah. Uban kong ada kapten sama, uba arba Darwin Piu, barong yetip, nantawan saw lepi sama, wan saw balapang, ter mentawan saw Dr. Mukul Sama. Kung mga oyaki, kisipawot kisip minister, hapok kajala jongi, kimlong kung unang chief minister o bakadway. Upasyang matpriyapat, yaka jala maghala jongi, Hindi na magpapayapay, hindi magkaya. Upos siya magpapayapay, manakarohin ko. Why the developmental schemes of developmental programs when in Tanzania? Is it not you trying to divide us? Kanya-kanya kepesertai di pagi. Ngana ko penuh binamar kata. Toya yang kali kawai. Na kemenangan election kebesaran ha unal ba. Bat kamanga kerpat red ya pikalong kawai. Token mau gin thai jute usijrong. Bahkan singkala akan man hapo kejala mereka di bawah. Amne ke skim san haja. Amne ke skim san haja. Mereka skim ke bakas sorkar ke sipti. Ke NPP ke sipti ke sorkar. Gin pet ya hidup ini suk kirati. Bagi skim ke begitu. Kanong kaban penmentoy yang kaya kesem. Batru kaban penmentoy yang kecela jogi barokoi. Toble unkur kuya pi. Unkur kuya liwe piwe. Gini nami. Togini dakapan sem kabas kau kia. Gini nami dakapan sem joga cikit kere. Bangin warna ia kajing keluar. Hapo kajela megla.
Presiden Rangba ke National People's Party Ukanrat ke sama. Ulat thier yu Menteri Rangba ke jela Dr. Mukul sama. Dak bakam makejingwan uslap henen kesengi kadiban saj dikikam balap penjabok Dr. Mukul ha ke jela. Ya kene Ukanrat ulak keren haba kentho ya kejingpep jong Dr. Mukul ha kejingya soy ya ke host city contract bat ke Indian Olympic Association. Kablalong hinen kesengi habakren hak jingilang pajba ban pediang ya ki prangut ki MLA barim syek NPP ha polo Ukanrat ulong bawat ki blay ki pha yu slab ban penkut ya ki kambaman jong Dr. Mukul bat menta ke jela kan sakla thamai bat kan sawan no ke jingkela ulong ba ke jingpep jong Menteri Rangba ha ke jingasai ya ke host city contract kapan i ba mkin snap ya ke nega kamba kamsan bat ulalap mit penban ban let pli ya ki mau nongrim. Ulat thier yu Dr. Mukul bawa penjat thiau yak jingpot sniu jeng kikwatemen ke jela Meghalaya. Wat kene kalap pelong yak kinong ilam ke Kongres bagian petno nak parti ban penyaso yaladi bagian NPP. Ulat keno ru ya ke Kongres bawat hadin sausan senem bakalayo yak ke jela Henry Kamdon Satya ke Youth Sports Tourism bat ke Education Policy.
The dreams that our fathers, our forefathers, Captain William Sangma, late P.B. Lingo, and all our leaders and our fathers had, it is upon us to fulfill those dreams. And 2018 is about fulfilling the dreams of our fathers on why our state was created. This election is about our future and the future generation. And that is why this election is so important to us. I'm very upset and very sad at what has happened in the past few years to this great state of ours. The way the ruling side, the way the Chief Minister has been working, I think has destroyed the dreams of our forefathers. And that is the reason why you have found so many people today leaving the Congress and coming and joining the National People's Party. Just a few days back, I was in Garo Hills. Garo Hills में जब मैं था, तो Garo Hills में एक ऑफिसर ने मुझे बताया कि सर मेरे पास कॉल आया प्रिंसिपल सेक्रेटरी से. डिपार्टमेंट के प्रिंसिपल सेक्रेटरी ने बोला कि कुछ ढूंढो, हम लोग को कुछ इनोवेट करना है. मैंने कहा क्यों? हमको कुछ इनोवेट करना है क्योंकि चीफ मिनिस्टर का फोन आया है, कुछ इनोवेट करना है. तो ऑफिसर ने बोला सर इनोवेशन के लिए कुछ नहीं है. तो प्रिंसिपल सेक्रेटरी बोला, अरे मुझे मारवाओगे क्या? चीफ मिनिस्टर मुझे मार देगा। My friends, the chief minister was looking for something to be inaugurated. So he told his principal secretary to tell one particular officer, find something to inaugurate. This is the state of affairs of our state today. A police station was inaugurated in Garo Hills just about 3-4 months back. And a government guest house is being used as the police station. There is no building of police station. So the government guest house is being used. In some places they have opened up the civil subdivision. But there is no civil subdivision building. It is only functioning from some indoor stadium. My friends, this is the kind of state of affairs of our state today. I was very saddened to hear that yesterday the Indian Olympics Association people had come to sign the National Games Agreement. And on such an important occasion, Chief Minister and the Sports Minister should have been there. But sadly, nobody was there. Both the Chief Minister and Sports Minister were somewhere else, laying some other foundation stone. Is this the kind of seriousness that they have about the future of sports and about the future of our youth? I think this clearly shows that they are not bothered about the youth and about the sports future of our children, of our youth. कल बारिश हुई और कल जब बारिश हुई तो बारिश के साथ साथ गोले भी पड़े। आपको मालूम है बारिश क्यों हुई कल? दोस्तों, बारिश इसलिए हुई ताकि डॉक्टर मुकुल ने जो जो गंदे काम किए थे वो सब साफ हो जाए। और बारिश ने और भगवान ने भी ऊपर से बारिश भेजा ताकि डॉक्टर मुकुल के सब गंदे काम साफ हो जाए और आज से एक नई शुरुआत हो, एक नई शुरुआत। आप आज आंख बंद करके आप एक सांस लीजिए। सांस लेने के बाद आपको महसूस होगा कि आज मेघालय में सचमुच बदलाव आ रहा है। आज देखिए स्टेज में, यही हमारे स्टेट का भविष्य है। जब आप इन लीडरों को देखते हैं, जब आप इस टीम को देखते हैं, तो आपको महसूस होता है और विश्वास होता है कि सचमुच बदलाव आने वाला है और आएगा। दोस्तों, बदलाव आएगा। आज आप मेघालय स्टेट में देखिए, आज तक 40 साल के बाद भी स्टेट में एक एजुकेशन पॉलिसी नहीं है। Even after 40 years, we don't have a youth policy. We don't have a sports policy. Even after 40 years, we don't have any policy on tourism. दोस्तों, अगर पॉलिसी ही नहीं है, अगर आइडिया ही नहीं है, तो काम कैसे होगा? पॉलिसी ही तो हमको बताएगी कि हम लोग किस किस एरिया में हम लोग काम करना चाहते हैं। मेघालय स्टेट ने कभी पॉलिसी बनाई नहीं। दोस्तों, ये सब चीजों को हमें बदलना है और मैं आप सबको विश्वास दिलाना चाहता हूं इस बदलाव में आज हमारी पार्टी नेशनल पीपल्स पार्टी ये बदलाव लाएगी। My friends, the journey is very tough. It's not easy. What Dr. Mukul has done to the state government and to our state of Meghalaya, it is not easy to change. But I know and have confidence in the team that is sitting right here with us, that we are up to the challenge and we will make the change that is required. आज हमारे पास यहाँ पे मणिपुर के डिप्टी चीफ मिनिस्टर यहाँ पे बैठे हैं। मैं चाहता हूं कि 2018 के इलेक्शन के बाद हमारे डिप्टी सीएम के साथ साथ मेघालय के सीएम भी यहाँ पे बैठे होने चाहिए। Along with our deputy CM of Manipur, we will also have Chief Minister of Meghalaya on this stage. Will we have, yes or no? Will we have the Chief Minister of NPP of Meghalaya on this stage? Yes or no? Yes, I know we can and we will. But it all depends on each and every one of us.
Habakren hadian kejingalang ukan rat uloong pada kejingrung jang kini kipangut KMLA barim ke parti kelarang yok bor ban ula penting kena bagi pajba ken jet ek NPP ban sencara kecela ulai itu baka parti kenyalek ban yok yaki kertong hadu san pesaungut AA ban penyakun ha kini election ukan rat ulai yang scam ru baka parti kan sei yu menteri ramba na kathan bayok bon tam KMLA la kalong na khasi jantia ni Nagaro Hills ula kan tadru baka parti kamnut ban penyang kertong na ampati kepada ke konstituensi jong Dr. Mukul Sama da ka baong baka parti kadang wat ikibriu ki babiang patkan sarayo kertong kadbau ba presiden tinsong ulong baka jingkeno jong yau Dr. Mukul kalong hadiam ki he ka All India Congress Committee kim shimla sngap ye jing ujo jing KMLA persyak yu Dr. Mukul ulapan kesandu dak baong bahagi tu kipor shimla pen pau ya kejing persya naman bakade ka kam yeng jeng parti.
Well, we are here very happy to welcome our 8 leaders who have joined today, as well as the MDCs who have joined today. And I think it's a clear indication that there is a change in the state and people are wanting a change. And I'm sure that with the entry of these senior and very experienced leaders, the NPP is going to be the alternative in our state of Meghalaya. And I'm sure that the people will give opportunity in the coming election to the National People's Party.
Boss, with the entry of these 8 legislators, where the seats?
Well, we will, as I said, be the single largest party, and we are working hard towards even trying to get an absolute majority. So we are confident that people will give us an opportunity, and we are positive about the developments that have taken place in the state.
Who is the chief minister candidate for you?
We have been very clear from day one that the Chief Minister will be decided by the MLAs. So it is not a decision that I as a president or any individual will make. The MLAs will collectively decide on who will be the Chief Minister. That is after the election is done and after the results come out. No, that is a statement been made by Mr. Ram Madhav, so you have to ask him what he meant by that. But from our side, it's not about having anything in a kitty or this like that, but it's about the the trust and the faith that the people have, and you're clearly seeing that there is definite confidence in the people and in the leadership now in the NPP, and I think as I said, we will see a massive change in the coming elections. We have made this statement from day one, and we have told the people, whether it's from Nagaro Hills and Khasi Hills, and I think everybody is taking this statement and this stand in a very positive manner, and there's a very positive competition, you can say, in one way that's happening, and we are very proud of it, and we are happy that people are taking it in a positive manner. But as I said, at the end of the day, it is the MLAs who will decide.
Why not one face as a chief ministerial candidate?
You see, because as I said, we are a democratic party, and we allow the democracy within the party and allow the MLAs to decide who should be the person who should lead them. We have announced 51 candidates already, and we do expect maybe another 2-3 more seats will be announced very soon.
How many candidates are contesting?
Anything between, say, 51 to 53, 55, 53 candidates approximately.
Why not in all the
Almost
60
all.
seats?
We are looking at that. As you know, in the last election, we were contested only in about 26 or 27 seats. So we have now reached 51, 53. So yes, we aspire to touch 60, but it all depends on the political situation. It's not sometimes easy for us to move. And we are looking at candidates who are going to give a good fight also. So we look at good candidates coming into the party.
We expect maybe more. It depends on them, because conviction is more important than anything else. So let us see. If they join, we are ready to accept them. No, that we already lodged complaint not less than 5-6 times in the ICC. We already told that. But nothing happened till today. We have done that. When I met Madam Sonia ji, when I met Rahul ji, I keep telling them that way. See, being the chief minister, if you have so many portfolios, so many departments, you don't have time to take care of your colleague MLAs. Because as CM, you need to also have time with your colleague MLAs. What problem they have in their respective constituencies, that is important. But as of today, CM, because of so many departments, so you tell me, how can he, humanly speaking, how can he handle that? Sometimes if he handle his official works, then he forget attention to the colleague MLAs.
So why don't you resign that time as a protest?
Resigning?
Yeah,
See,
from the cabinet.
I'm telling you, let me repeat again. In fact, what's happening? We were still thought that AICC will take action or will respond to us positively till 2016. I think you knew it well. We were trying to change the leadership, but we could not. So by that time, it's already late also. So the question of resigning or not resigning, we did it today. We have done it today. No. You see, how can we do that? It was all family affairs. So what we did was, I have to quietly discuss with our high command leaders. No? That is important for us. I can't say that, see, I have some problem with my wife and then sharing with you. Is it not?
Preston, once upon a time, like in a meeting at Pun Usla, you have said so that, Dr. Mukul Sangma is one of the best chief ministers so far in the history.
Yeah, in the history.
Will you take it back?
No. The best chief minister meaning. Okay? He created a record. Out of 11, as I said to you, 11 chief ministers in Meghalaya that we have, he's the one. And then out of the 29 chief ministers in India, he's the one. So don't you think that he's the best?
But are you vying for the post of chief minister after joining NPP?
No, I already told you that day when we resigned. I said, see, let us cross the bridge. And ultimately, newly elected MLAs has to decide. Let me tell you, this is the first incident has happened in the history of Congress Party in Meghalaya, where the sitting MLAs resigned. 5 we joined NPP, 1 joined BJP, and another 1 joined PDF. So 7 altogether. So 7 sitting MLAs resigned and then joined another party. I think that is a big blow. It's a big blow for the Congress Party, no doubt about it.